What's your favorite type of flower?
Sunflowers. They radiate happiness.
Have you called him?
Yes, but nobody answered me.
Are you ready?
No, not yet.
What is tomorrow's temperature?
Tomorrow's temperature will be from 17 to 23 degrees Celsius.
A strong wind was blowing.
The wind blew over my tree.
Do you like your job?
I look forward to coming to work each day.
Do you enjoy going to karaoke nights?
Yes, belting out favorite tunes is liberating.
Where does your aunt live?
My aunt lives in Canada.
What language does your family speak?
We speak English at home.
I drank so that I can't drive.
I'll do it.
I slept 9 hours.
That explains why you look well rested.
Would you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream?
I like neither of them.
It smells delicious.
The chicken is almost done cooking.
Have you ever tried horseback riding?
Yes, it's exhilarating to ride through nature.
Let's see the cherry blossoms together this weekend.
That's great. I had the same idea with you.
There is enough room. Let's sit here.
No problem.
Do you like going to art museums?
Yes, admiring timeless masterpieces is inspiring.
I like wearing dresses.
You look nice in a dress.
I want to say something with you.
I don't have time today. Maybe some other time.
What did the doctor say?
He said there's nothing to worry about.
What lovely weather.
It's a perfect day for a picnic.
How's the weather today?
It's bright, sunny, and not a cloud in sight.
I bake bread at home.
You are great.
Our project failed.
Next time we should work better as a team.
What's your favorite outdoor concert memory?
Dancing in the rain while my favorite band performed.
What's your favorite genre at book fairs?
Science fiction always piques my interest.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What's your telephone number?
0123,456.
What's the most adventurous thing you've done?
I went bungee jumping in New Zealand once.
Do not wash it in the washing machine.
Okay, I will do it by hand.
He was robbed of all his money.
Was he hurt?
How do you spend your weekends usually?
I often go hiking or camping.
What's on your mind?
I'm worried about my upcoming exams.
You look happy today.
I'm very happy. I passed the exam.
His number was noted in this paper.
Well, thank you.
What time is it?
It's 2:30 p.m.
Have you ever tried glass fusion?
Yes, creating colorful glass art is rewarding.
Where do you come from?
Vancouver.
What's your favorite type of street food?
Tacos with spicy salsa are unbeatable.
I want to eat Japanese food this Sunday.
Well, just go where you want to go.
Have you ever tried painting?
Yes, I find it therapeutic to express myself through art.
I don't have any change.
Just keep the change.
We decided to go to Paris and we would like a local guide. Can you recommend one for us?
No problem. I will pay attention to that.
Doctor, is my child well?
It's not a big deal.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
Would you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream?
I like neither of them.
It's almost 12 p.m.
You'd better go to sleep. I don't want to sleep now.
Have you ever gone bungee jumping?
No, I'm too afraid of heights.
Could you repeat that?
I said I love watching the movies.
He ran out of money.
I will pay for his plane ticket.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes.
She usually arrives at the company earlier than me.
Her house is closer than yours.
When will you come?
About 5 p.m.
Prices have jumped.
How much does the television cost now?
I'm a vegetarian.
You should try the bean dish.
There is no meat left in the fridge.
We need to go to the grocery store.
Can you whistle?
Yes, I can whistle.
Do you like going to vintage shops?
Yes, you can find unique fashion pieces there.
Do I need an operation?
I don't think that will be necessary.
How much is the rent for a month?
$1,000.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
The people in front are so annoying.
I think so.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Have you ever tried woodworking?
Yes, crafting furniture with my hands is rewarding.
I'm fit as a fiddle.
Good for you. I'm trying to be healthier too.
Add some lemon juice on the salad.
No problem.
What are you doing?
I am watching television.
What's your favorite jazz standard?
Summertime always evokes a mood.
Can I try it on?
Certainly, the changing rooms are over there.
What are you worried about?
I have a speech to give this afternoon.
Who's going to do the dishes today?
I did it yesterday, so my sister should do it today.
He cheated on the biology exam.
I wonder if he will get caught.
Have a nice weekend.
Thanks, you too.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I usually relax at the beach.
This bridge was built 2 years ago.
This bridge is new compared to that bridge.
Will you attend Zhang's wedding next week?
Yes, I will. What about you?
How is your company?
It is a pleasant atmosphere, and the food is great.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What is your major?
I'm majoring in computer science.
What religion are you?
I'm an atheist.
What do you usually do for exercise?
Swimming and running are my favorite types of exercise.
I'm afraid of failure.
You'll be fine. Don't be nervous.
Our project failed.
Next time we should work better as a team.
If you can't come tomorrow, I'll look for you.
It's okay.
What kind of fruit did you buy?
Apple and strawberry.
Why are you studying English?
Because it's very important and necessary.
Do you enjoy going to wine tastings?
Yes, discovering new flavors is always exciting.
What a beautiful flower.
Pink is my favorite color.
What's your favorite vintage fashion item?
A classic leather jacket adds flair to any outfit.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Building forts with my siblings in the backyard.
How much is it?
The price is $125.
What's the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is Mexico City.
What did he say?
You are unhappy.
Have you ever tried parasailing?
Yes, it was exhilarating, soaring above the sea.
How could you hit your younger brother?
He broke my toy.
Is he taller than you?
No, he isn't taller than me.
I'm running a fever.
Yes.
Can you do a magic trick?
No, I can't do a magic trick.
She looks very lovely.
I love her dress.
This restaurant has good food.
I agree. Everything is yummy.